After opening a new model in SketchUp, you can see the workspace here. And this is the image given by default as a component in this application just to view and compare the model approximately with human height. And also you can delete it if you don't need. We have already seen about the menu bar in the previous video. In the file menu, the next option is open and its shortcut is Ctrl plus O. Before that, we can see how to save the worked file already you have opened. And when you click the save option, the window will be open to select the required folder you have to save the file. And always save your worked file in separate folder for easy reference. In this option, you can update the existing file with current changes and keeping the same name and location. And the next option is Save As. You can use this option just to create a new copy of the file that enable you to change its name, location and even file format. And it also helps you to keep the original version remains safe or untouched. For opening the existing file, go to the file menu and select open or just use the shortcut Ctrl plus O and select the file you have to open that is already saved in your folder and the existing file will be opened. Subscribe my channel for more updates.